Toyota heard every single complaint and answered all of them at once. The full-size SUV segment has always had a clear pecking order, but the 2027 Sequoia is about to flip the script. Bigger screen, sharper looks, proper overlanding hardware, and the same hybrid powertrain that already has rivals running scared. Here's the full breakdown. Refresh styling. Right from the front end, things are looking different. Toyota is giving the 2027 Sequoia a sharper, more squared-off face, and the changes hit exactly where they needed to. The grille is growing bigger and more aggressive. The lower bumper gets a cleaner profile, and those fog lamps are now rectangular and fully integrated into the front fascia. A brighter LED light bar mounted across the grille adds both function and visual presence. Chrome trim around the front has been reimagined, less decorative, more refined, and a new exterior color, honeycomb, is debuting exclusively on the TRD Pro. This truck is 208.1 inches long and sits on a 122-inch wheelbase. The proportions are already working. What these updates do is make the whole package look more intentional, more polished, and more competitive against the Tahoes and Expeditions sitting right next to it on dealer lots. But a fresh face only goes so far, and what Toyota is doing with the off-road lineup is where things get genuinely exciting. Trail Hunter treatment. Here's where it gets genuinely interesting for a new category of buyer. The SR5 is gaining a Trail Hunter package, and it brings the kind of overlanding hardware that used to require stepping all the way up to the TRD Pro. That changes the math considerably. What's in the package? For starters, Old Man Emu upgraded suspension at all four corners. It's a name that carries real credibility in the off-road world. Pair that with Michelin LTX trail tires on bronze-finished 18-inch wheels, and the Sequoia already looks the part before it hits the dirt. A lot of full-size SUV owners have wanted to take their truck somewhere serious, a fire road, a mountain trail, a remote campsite, but the factory setup was never really built for it. That's exactly the gap the Trail Hunter package is designed to close. A locking rear differential, multi-terrain select drive modes, and crawl control are all part of the deal, alongside front recovery hooks and underbody protection. These aren't badge-only upgrades. They're functional pieces of kit that make a real difference when the pavement ends. What makes the Trail Hunter package particularly smart is its positioning. By attaching it to the SR5 rather than creating a separate top-of-range trim, Toyota is making serious off-road capability more accessible without the capstone-level price tag. For buyers who've been eyeing the TRD Pro but couldn't justify the cost, this package is going to be a serious conversation starter. And speaking of the TRD Pro, because the upgrades landing on that trim for 2027 are worth talking about separately. TRD Pro enhancements. The TRD Pro is still the one for buyers who want the factory-built maximum, and for 2027, it's getting upgrades that go well beyond cosmetic changes. The headline is the suspension. Newly tuned adjustable Fox QS3 shocks, enhanced specifically for Sequoia duty. Adjustment capability means the setup can be dialed in depending on load and conditions. It's a kind of flexibility that a fixed damper simply can't offer. Anyone who has pushed a stock full-size SUV hard on a rutted trail knows the feeling, the body heaving, the suspension running out of ideas. The Fox QS3 setup is Toyota's direct answer to that, keeping the TRD Pro composed where rivals are still guessing. Standard functional red tow hooks join the equipment list, and that exclusive honeycomb paint option lands here first. A TRD performance package is also available for those who want even more. The TRD Pro has always been about purpose. For 2027, that purpose is only getting sharper. Now, all of that capability needs somewhere worthy to return to, and the interior updates Toyota has lined up are going to get attention. Interior design. The complaint about the previous standard screen is done. Every single 2027 Sequoia, from the base SR5 to the capstone, is getting a 14-inch Toyota Audio multimedia touchscreen as standard equipment, running on AT&T 5G connectivity with customizable home screen widgets. Hey Toyota voice response is faster and more accurate. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and a built-in drive recorder is now included across the board. Think about how many owners have sat in a $60,000 SUV and still had to pull out a phone because the factory screen felt outdated. The 14-inch display puts an end to that friction. Digital key functionality is expanding too. Owners are going to be able to access and start the Sequoia through their Apple, Google, or Samsung native wallet, with NFC capability that works even if the phone battery dies. Beyond the tech, the Platinum 1700 $194, and capstone trims bring leather, genuine wood, and a level of refinement that competes with premium brand alternatives, with a 14-speaker JBL audio system standard on those upper grades. The onboard 2.4 kilowatt inverter adds real AC electrical power directly from the vehicle, making this cabin useful well beyond the daily commute. None of that would matter much, though, if the powertrain underneath wasn't pulling its weight, and this is where the Sequoia has always had a card nobody else in the segment can play. Powertrain. No other full-size SUV in this segment is doing what the Sequoia is doing under the hood. The iForce Max Hybrid powertrain pairs a twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 with an electric motor for a combined output of 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque through a 10-speed automatic. 0 to 60 arrives in 5.6 seconds in capstone four-wheel drive trim, dropping to 5.5 seconds with the TRD Performance package. Strong numbers for a truck tipping the scales at over 6,000 pounds. Owners of full-size SUVs have always accepted a trade-off: tow the big load or get reasonable fuel economy, but not both. The iForce Max is built to break that deal. Towing reaches 9,520 pounds on rear-wheel drive models, past the Expedition's 9,300 and clear of the Tahoe's 8,400-pound ceiling. EPA ratings come in at 21 city and 24 highway for rear-wheel drive, with four-wheel drive variants at 19 city and 22 highway. An estimated 495 miles of range on a full tank in rear-wheel drive form is available, and the hybrid system backs it all up with a 10-year, 150,000-mile warranty on hybrid components. A powertrain this capable deserves safety technology that keeps pace, and Toyota has made sure that side of the equation isn't getting left behind. Safety features. Every 2027 Sequoia arrives with Toyota Safety Sense 4.0. It includes updated sensor hardware and a broader standard suite than the Sequoia has ever carried. Pre-collision system with pedestrian detection is ready to engage automatic braking for vehicles, cyclists, and people ahead. Full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control manages highway travel down to a complete stop. Long drives in a vehicle this size can get fatiguing fast. Lane departure alert with steering assist and lane tracing assist take a real share of that load, applying gentle correction when the truck begins to drift. Proactive driving assist adds braking and steering support through curves, while road sign assist projects speed limits onto the instrument display. The jump from TSS 2.5 to 4.0 is a genuine hardware improvement, and it's arriving standard on every trim at no additional cost. All of that value stacks up quickly, and the pricing Toyota is putting behind the 2027 Sequoia makes the full picture even more compelling. Release date and price. The 2027 Toyota Sequoia is heading to market, with the Trailhunter package entering production this fall. Pricing runs between $64,000 and $89,000 across the lineup. The SR5 opens at around $64,000, with the Limited adding leather, heated and ventilated front seats, a power liftgate, and 20-inch wheels a step above. The TRD Pro sits at approximately $85,000, and the capstone closes out the range at $89,000, bringing 22-inch wheels, a 10-inch head-up display, and the full JBL audio system. For buyers who want serious off-road hardware without the TRD Pro price tag, the SR5-based Trailhunter positioning makes that more attainable than it has ever been on a factory-built Sequoia. Toyota has given every type of buyer something new to consider, and for a truck several years into its current generation, that is no small thing. Sharper styling, a Trailhunter package that opens serious off-road capability to a wider range of buyers, Fox-tuned suspension on the TRD Pro, a 14-inch screen now standard across every trim, Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 across the board, and a hybrid powertrain that still has no direct competition in the segment. The 2027 Sequoia is arriving with answers to questions owners have been asking for years. It tows more than the Expedition, returns better fuel economy than anything else in the full-size class, and backs the hybrid system with a warranty that runs to 10 years or 150,000 miles. The full-size SUV segment just got a serious reminder of who's been doing this the longest, and who just raised the bar. But even though widely considered one of the best options in the class, it's not like the competition doesn't have what to offer. Moreover, models like the Chevy Tahoe, which you can check out in our next video, are proving over and over their exceptional quality. Proven engines, cavernous cabin, and a strong suite of tech features are just some of the things that make this full-size SUV such a strong contender.